Benefits of slow juicing. Now for one of the most favorite topics, slow juicing and why it is so beneficial for your health. Have you ever heard increasing talk and seen a lot of articles about juicing your own juice at home? This is by no means new and has been going on since the 1940s and 1950s, especially in health conscious American homes and want more juice. With slow juicing, there is a screw mechanism used to extract the juice. This means you get more juice out of the fruit or vegetables. In fact, studies indicate that you get 35% more juice when you do slow juicing. Good compression juice extraction. Number 2, natural vitamins. When you extract juice using a slow compression method, you do as a cool temperature. This preserves all those healthy natural enzymes and vitamins contained in the fruit or vegetables. Contrast this with a high-speed rotor extraction that raises the temperature and kills off some of the vitamins and enzymes. Number 3, superior healing. The reason for drinking freshly prepared juices is the fresh place in their super qualities in fighting cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure, not to mention nausea, bloating, depression, morning sickness. Number 4, less and more. Slow juice requires less fruits and vegetables for preparing juice. This means you save on the cost of fruits and vegetables you use for juice and minimize wastage. Number 5, greater fiber retention. As we all know, fiber is good for us, and with the slow juicing method, we get more fiber in the juice prepared. This makes the juice more wholesome and healthy. Number 6, zero froth. A clearly liquid juice and less froth form which could called slow juicing. You got a completely froth-free juice. In fact, some juicers allow you to specify how much solid you still want on your juice, not at all or minimal.